Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide apps in dialer on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. Now at the end of this page, you will find the option of hide apps. Just tap on it, then tap on get started. Select settings. Now just create a privacy password. Then select use. Now just enter your privacy password one more time to confirm your password. Now from here you can either link your privacy password to your Oppo account or you can select not now. I will select link, then tap on get started. And from here just select access via dial pad. Then tap on settings. Now just create your access code for your hidden apps. And the code must start with an hashtag and it must end with a hashtag. And it must include at least one digit in between. Now for an example, start with an hashtag, then enter your digits, then end with an hashtag. And once you create your access code, then select done. From here, just tap on add apps. Now just select the apps which you want to hide in the dialer. Just like that. Now once you enable the toggle for the apps which you want to hide in the dialer app, the apps will be hidden from your home screen and from the app drawer. Now to get access of the apps which we have hidden, first of all, just open the dialer app. Now from here, just enter your access code. And once you do that, you will find all the hidden apps on your smartphone. And this is how you can hide apps in dialer on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.